Hey guys, welcome to Oslo, Norway. So we arrived here, tried some brown cheese, went to the opera house, took a private boat tour, and tried to get tickets to a football game. Check it out in this video.
Repping this University of Manchester sweatshirt in this cold night in Norway.
Here we are, cold as fuck,
In Torp.
waiting for this train to show up.
Wait,
Hopefully I bought the right ticket. I'm still gonna use it.
Oslo's going that way where we're stuck in some
God, it's so
town.
cold. Help. Finally off this goddamn train. Oh my god. The girl behind me was throwing up the whole time. Happy birthday to Orlando over here.
Orlando.
Just turned 24, old bastard. Let's go get some brews. Just killed some traditional brown cheese. And I think we're having withdrawals from beers right now.
We're gonna pint a beer.
And I'm starting with the shakes, you know? So I'll have to get some brews.
Your whole talk some mud. I just want to bar.
Hey, what's up guys? On top of the Oslo Opera House. Alright, so escaping the wind to get this little voice shot. Alright, so I would fly the drone up, but we don't want a repeat of what happened in Nuremberg. So, fuck off. The shit flew away, alright? That's what happened. Yeah, let's see what slow motion shots I can get and all the other good jazz. You know?
What? Your whole talk some mud. I just want to bar. What? Money counter all. Coke count it all. What? Your whole talk some mud. I just want to bar. Money counter all.
Yo, what's up guys? So we just finessed our way onto this tour ship, catamaran. It was empty, so they let us hop on. They're gonna give us an hour and a half tour across Norway. So stay tuned.
At the west coast.
Just bought tickets.
Flum, which is very famous.
Just bought tickets for the Norway and Sweden football game.
On the right, you start seeing a white, modern building. That's the headquarters of our big oil company.
Shout out to having a private boat tour. This is what's up. I can literally just come here, kick my feet up, and just look over. Alright, so while I'm up here taking pictures, doing all this artsy stuff, Orlando is trying to buy tickets to the nearly sold out Norway-Sweden football game. And if we can get that, Norway's gonna be wild. So stay tuned, chap.